Hi everybody, today what we are going to do is we will be able to find the three angles of this triangle. We have already the three sides, so now let's find the three angles, right? In order to do that, we have to apply the law of cosine, which is a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. And the second equation is like b squared a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos of b, right? And the third one is that we have to take c squared equals to like a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos of, so by the way this is b, cos of c, right? Now we have to solve for the like each angle of a, b, and c, right? So in order to do that, I have to kind of solve for cos of a first, right? And that's going to be b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc, right? And we have to do the same thing for cos of b, and that's going to be a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. And the last one is going to be cos of c, right? And this is going to be very similar. A squared plus b squared minus c squared, right? And now we have over 2ab, right? So right now we have everything that we need. We just have to assign the numbers, right? So for cos of a, what I'm going to do is cos of a is equals to, so we know that b is going to be 5, so 5 squared plus c squared, c is going to be 7, so 7 squared, minus, and a is going to be 3, so 3 squared, all over 2 times b, which is 5, times c, which is 7, right? So we can simplify this, right? So 5 squared is like 25, plus 7 squared is 49, minus 9, right? 3 squared is 9, so minus 9. So we have at the bottom 2 times 5 is 10 times 7 is 70, okay? So now we can simplify this. Cos of a is going to be, we know that 25 plus 49, or 49 minus 9 is 40, plus 25 is like 65, okay? And at the bottom is going to be just 70. So now we have to apply the inverse of cosine, which is going to be inverse of cos. So we have cos of a equals to, we have to apply inverse of cosine both sides. So this is going to be 65 over 70, okay? So now, since it's inverse, so we are going to take this out, so we just left those a, and a is going to be 21, right? Like 21.9, right? I just rounded to one decimal place, okay? So the next one is going to be b, right? We have to solve this. And to do that, let me just copy the equation. So we have cos b equals to a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac, right? Now we know that cos b, and we know that a is going to be 3, so 3 squared plus 7 squared minus 5 squared, right? And now what we are going to do is that we have to kind of multiply the bottom, right? 2 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 7. So now at the bottom is going to be so we have 9, like 3 squared is 9, plus 49, which is 7 squared, minus 25, all over 2 times 3 is 6, times 7 is 42. Let me just simplify this, right? So, and this is going to give us negative, plus 33 over 42, okay? Now, let me just rewrite everything. So, we have cos of b equals to 33 over 42. So, let's apply inverse of cos, right? I have to do the same thing for this, right? It's a little bit, right? So, now this is going to be inverse of cos 33 over 42. Okay, now b is going to be 38, right? So if we put this into our calculator, then we'll get 38.2, right? And now to find the third angle, right, which is c, we could use this equation, but we don't have to, because we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, right? Because the sum of all parts is going to be 180 in the given triangle. So now we know A is going to be 21.9 plus B is going to be 38.2 and plus C is going to be like 180. So we have this, right? Now what we have to do is we have to add first this two angles, right? So we know that this is going to be, what we are going to do is that the sum of the two angles A and B is going to be 60, right? 60.1 plus C equals to 180, right? So let's move this to the other side. So this is 0, so we have 180, right? So this is going to be like C is equals to 180 minus 60.1, right? We have to subtract, and this is going to give us C is equals to 119.9, right? So that's it, right? So we are able to find angle A, which is 21.9. Angle B is going to be 38.2, and angle C. That's it. And this is our, thank you so much.